trying to create this button to replicate it in Figma, and basically you just need the text and the icon. So when you get the text, you add the icon and then create an auto layout frame like I'm going to do now. So you just create the auto layout frame. You can use there, or you press Shift A to create it, and after that you create an external frame. That's another frame apart from this one that I just created. So you just press Shift A and another frame will be created. So when you do that, you see that the frame has some padding. Once you press Shift A, another frame is created just like this, and then it has some padding. If you look to the left, to the right of the screen, you will see that external frame has padding of 10 and 10. So you just adjust it to suit your needs. Okay, so I've removed the padding. So the one inside is the one that will have the padding, because that's the one that will bear the yellow color, the color of the button basically. So I'll add the fill now, the yellow fill. Then check, just try to match it, because it's just a rough sketch. So yeah, just try to match the mustard yellow and then make it rounded, as round as you want. Okay, so when you are done, you make the auto layout right aligned, so that when you are changing the width, it keeps showing what is on the right instead of the default left. Like that's what is on the left. So when you do that, you increase the width of the bigger frame. So as you are doing it, you just keep looking at the left side of the screen. So the larger frame outside will be is the same on each side, while the small one inside is the one with the yellow fill. So the small one with the yellow fill, you reduce it on the first part to accommodate only the icon, while on the right side you make it bulk content. So by the time you do that, only the icon on the left part has the yellow fill, while the right side, the text and the icon will have the yellow fill. So when you are done with that, you can add some space between the text and the icon. You can just make it 12. Then after that, you just connect them. You make them components, and then you connect them. Select both of them, and you look up to your screen. You see raise component set. So you have a component with 2 variants now. Then you can just copy the the variant onto your screen, and you play the prototype. But just remember that we've not added the interaction yet, so there's no interaction for now. You just copy it like that. Then when you are ready to add the interaction, you come back here and add it, set it to while hovering, and then the setting should be on Smart Animate. So I want to try bouncy. I set it to bouncy, but it's too bouncy for my liking. It's actually too bouncy, so I'm going to try to I want to increase the width of the second one, so that there's more padding or so on the left. So I will increase the width of the frame with the yellow fill, and then set it to center. So it's center aligned now. Then just make it to 20. So it's center aligned now, so it has more padding on each side. when you play it now, it's still bouncy. Okay, I think I changed it to ease in and out back, but you can't see it because I cut it off. But I'm going to show you again. So it's easy and out back now, so it's not as bouncy as the initial one. So I'm going to show you okay, so let me just put it in the middle so we can see it clearly. So the setting is ease in and out back instead of bouncy. The bouncy one is too bouncy. So I think that's basically it. Let me just show you the interaction, the setting for the interaction. So you have smart animate and ease in and out back. So that's how to do it. Okay, thank you for listening.